Hello, my name is Dan Fashionbauer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a white outline to an image using ClickDesigns. So I'm already logged into my back office of ClickDesigns. They have a little demo here, and it shows this white border around this woman here. And that's what I want to replicate in this video. So I'll come over here and click on Start from Scratch, and I'll click on Blank Canvas, click on Continue. And I'll just make my design 1000 by 1000 pixels. I'll make it a square canvas. You might have to shrink down your canvas area. It might be too big. You'll see this checkerboard here, which runs off the bottom. So I'm going to come up here and click the down, 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 until that entire checkerboard screen shows up on my screen here. All right, so now I need to import an image that I want to put on my canvas. So I could either come up here and click on Image, click here to Browse, and then you can upload an image. Or if you already have an image that you want to use, you can just select it and it pops in right here. Now I am going to shrink it down a little bit, and then I'll kind of center it on there. Okay, something like that. Now if you had a background around this that you wanted to delete, you would just click on AI Image Editor, and you could click here, Background Remover, and then click here, Remove Background. But in my case, the background was already removed, so I didn't really need to do that. Then click on Done. So now I'll click on the background section here, and I'll scroll down and I'll make the background black. So now I'll duplicate this image by right-clicking on it and click on Duplicate. Come back up here and select the first image layer. Scroll down to brightness, click on the edit pencil and move the brightness all the way up to 250%, and that makes it all white. Now either you can expand the white image or you can shrink the regular image, whatever works out. I'm going to increase the white image, and then I'll bring it down and try to get this guy in there like so. And then you may have to play with the white background sizing a little bit. You might have to shrink it down a little bit from the top or bring it in a little bit from the sides. Then it looks like you have a white highlighted line around your image. And then if you come up here with your mouse, click it and then drag it across to select both images. Right mouse button, click on Group, and then click on Outside. And now when you move your mouse around, it's going to move both images at the same time. And if you enlarge or shrink it, both images will work together. So now your main image has a white border to mimic a sticker type image. So now I'll click on the background again and make it transparent by clicking here. And now you can export it, clicking here. Export it as a PNG so you get the transparency. Click on Export. And then when you look at your download folder, you'll have your new design in there. Click on the folder and you'll see the design name newdesign.png. Then you can right click on that and copy it and paste it wherever you would like. So now if I open up one of my previous designs in ClickDesigns, if I leave here and if I click on My Designs, I see that I have this YouTube thumbnail here that might look good with a white border. So if I edit that, and then I'll shrink this down a little bit so it fits better on my screen. Now let's say if I want to remove this image here, I'll click on it and hit delete. And then I'll click on Image, click here to Browse, and I'll select the new design that I just created. Click on Open, and it's going to upload it to ClickDesigns. All right, so it got displayed right here. And if I click on that, you put it in my design, shrink it down here so it fits a little bit better. I probably want to move this over. So now my image comes in here with a white outline, and it makes that stand out better on my YouTube thumbnail. All right, so that's how you would add a white outline to an image to make it look more like a sticker effect within inside of ClickDesigns. I hope you found that useful, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.